Hello and welcome to our second lesson of A1 German language course. In this lesson you will learn about German combinations and their sounds. German language has 15 combinations. These combinations are the alphabets that combine to make different sounds. Let's have a look at each combination and learn some German words. Let's start. Our first combination is SCH, that gives the sound of sh. Sh. Flasche. Flasche. Please repeat after me. Flasche. Flasche means bottle. Here you can see in flasche, SCH gives the sound of sh. Let's continue with the second combination, that is TSCH, sounds as sh, sh. Deutsch, Deutsch. German language is called Deutsch. Our next combination is CH. CH produce three different sounds in different conditions. First sound is sh, second sound is h, third sound is ch. The first German word with this combination is endlich. Endlich. If A, U, umlaut or I, any of these letters comes before CH, it will produce the sound of sh. Endlich. Endlich. Second word is auch. Auch. If A, O, U, any of these alphabets comes before CH, it will produce the sound of h. Auch. Auch. Next combination is ST. ST sounds as shut. Shut. The word with this combination is steigen. Steigen, which means climb. If ST comes in the start, it gives shut sound like steigen. Steigen. If ST comes in the middle or end, it gives shut sound like kannst. Kannst. Our next combination is SP. Sounds as shop. Shop. The German word with this combination is Sprechen. Sprechen. If SP comes in the start of the word, it gives the sound of shop. Sprechen. Another combination is U. Sounds as au. Au. Au, which means also. Next combination is A umlaut and U. Sounds as oe. 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 Oe, which means also. Now move to the next combination, that is EI. Sounds as I. Dry. Dry. If EI or IE comes together in the word, then first letter will not be spoken. Like dry. Dry. Dry means three. Three. Next combination is IE. Sounds as E. Sieben. Sieben. S sounds as Z in German language, that's why it is called sieben. Sieben, which means 7. Next combination is IG. It's on your choice. You read it as ig or ish, like swansig or swansish, swansig or swansish. Swansig means 20. Z is pronounced as S in German language. That's why it is called swansig. Swansig. Now move to the next combination, that is CK. CK sounds as K. K. Shikan. Shikan. Shikan means to send. Next combination is TION. Sion. Sion. Information. TION sounds as Sion. Information. Information means information in English. Next combination is S or sharp S, sounds as S. Gross. Gross, which means large. Let's continue with the 14th combination, that is EU, sounds as OE. OE. Deutsch. Deutsch. German language is called Deutsch. Our last and the 15th combination is S, sounds as Z in German language, like sieben, sieben, which means 7. Now let's review the combined list of all these combinations. I will read out loud all these combinations and you have to repeat after me. First one is sh, sh. Second one is also sh, sh. Third one is ch, h, h. Fourth one is shut, shut. Fifth one is shup, shup. Sixth one is ow, ow. Seventh one is oe, oe. Eighth one is I. Ninth one is E, E. 10th is ig or ish, ig or ish. 11th is K, K. 12th is Sion, Sion. 13 is S, S. 14 is OE, OE. 15 sounds as Z, Z. Now here are some steps that will help you how to read and speak German language. First step is to learn the phonetics of German alphabets. Second step is to learn the sounds of combinations. Third step is to learn the rules of German language. And the fourth and last step is to practice and apply the above 3 steps on German words. Viewers, I hope this video will help you out in learning the combinations in easy way. Now bye bye.